Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to block someone and iPhone contacts. Blocking a contact on your iPhone prevents that person from calling, texting, or contacting you through FaceTime. iPhone makes it easy to block someone directly from the Contacts app or the Phone app. Follow these steps to block someone in your iPhone contacts. To begin, unlock your iPhone, then open the Phone app. Tap the Contacts tab, then browse your contact list. Find the contact you want to block, then tap the contact's name to open their details. Scroll to the bottom of the contact information page, then locate the Block This Color option. Tap Block This Color, then read the confirmation message. Tap Block Contact to confirm and wait for the setting to be applied. Then return to the contact's information page. Verify that the contact is now listed as blocked. Note, once blocked, the contact's calls, messages, and FaceTime requests will no longer reach you. You can unblock the contact at any time by returning to their contact information page. Blocked contacts can also be managed through Settings, Phone, Block Contacts, if you need to review or update your list. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.